Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, less annoying CRM action automation for workflow in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, you click on it, click on Install and choose an account. Then you click on Continue, head over to Allow and Install and you click on it. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, click on Settings, search for the custom menu link and click on it. Then you click on Create New. You give an icon, a title, and paste the link right over here. You give a sidebar preference and you select an account. Then you choose a role-based visibility and you click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account, search for the custom menu link itself, and you have this first interface where the app is going to pop up after a search. Then you click on Connect, and you have this second pop-up with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with this specific app is right in here. You have the tutorial video that's going to guide you on how to get the credentials and set up your app. We have the app set up right over here. No worries, let's walk you through on how to set up your app. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required an API key. Let's head over to our account, click on the settings and you click on the Programmer API. Then you click on Generate a new API key, you give a name and you click on Create a key. Copy your key and you click I have copied the key right over here. Head back to the account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a live call with the team. We have the changelog feature that's going to help you track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.